Achieve better braking performance with Pedders TrakRyder rear disc brake conversion kits. The ideal upgrade for your Toyota Hilux, Ford Ranger or Isuzu D-Max. Perfect for those that tow or carry heavy loads, the kit converts the factory rear drum brakes to a disc braking system. Designed as a direct OEM replacement, the kit includes Pedders TrakRyder Geomet coated and slotted disc brake rotors, matched to TrakRyder Kevlar ceramic ultra-low dusting, high-performance brake pads. Manufactured with precision using the highest grade raw materials, the Geomet coating protects against corrosion. Other benefits include improved heat dissipation due to the curved slotted design, high wear resistance, consistent brake feel, guaranteed OEM fitment and compliance with Australian design rules. The ADR certification follows extensive testing using a Toyota Hilux fitted with Pedders TrakRyder rear disc brake conversion kit. Independent engineering test results returned an improvement of 21.4 metres in stopping distance when braking from 100 km per hour with the vehicle fully loaded to its GVM and with only 30% braking force required to arrest the vehicle. Convert and feel the difference with Pedders TrakRyder rear disc brake conversion kits.